I'm looking for some tweaks.
You want to tweak? I'm a true hustler, Cassidy. Somewhere our shit's weaking, bro. I'm sticking to the script. Niggas cuff a random bitch, then they switch up on you quick, like what they do to that and shit. Lollipop. What's up? It's Cold and who? Cold and Flu. And man, since I'm doing these little self-awareness videos, I gotta tell y'all, man, get a Ring doorbell camera. If you can't afford it or you don't like whatever they talking about with them shits, get an old Android device, download the Alfred camera app on your main phone and that bullshit Android, and run up security camera, bro. Everybody needs a camera. If you got a house, if you got a car, if you have kids, you need a camera. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video, shall we?
On this episode of Doorbell News, a Domino's pizza delivery man meets a pirate.
Damn.
I gotta get the money first. I know.
I'm not doing nothing. That boy up to something. He should already knew. My thing is, my fucking thing is, why? Some niggas, like, bro, I don't know, man. Let me keep my mouth shut. But I just feel like doing crimes these days, like, back in the day, if a nigga was finna steal, they either finna feed their kids, they self, or something like a piece of though. And it ain't what you do, it's how you do it, my G. Like, your ass can go to jail for straight, strong arm robbery, which is stupid ass. Let me continue, bro. I ain't finna waste all day talking about this one nigga.
Check her out. She's doing a little curly thing. She doesn't think the camera sees her.
She going prone. Somebody
like
sniped that bitch.
Yeah,
Let me stop
with that package. Some people just
She was doing that to steal a package? Get a fucking camera. Fucking weird ass fucking ooh.
What a shame.
Crawling on the dirty fucking ground.
Dog.
Real hoes get down on the floor. On the floor.
Kia Optima and drives off.
And she hopped to the Kia. You know she stole it, and if she didn't, bitch, your karma is coming. Your days is numbered, bitch. Bitch out here stealing and she drive a Kia. Fuck wrong with you?
In denim and red hair walks up. She's looking around, trying to gather the courage. I think she sees a package on the mailbox. Let's see what she does. Yeah, she grabs a package.
You look good. Hope your ass gonna look good in court too.
Yeah, we got you on
See shit like that. I don't call the police, but why you stealing my mail? Come on now,
bro. Why the f would you guys do this to me?
Mesa, Arizona.
Bro, you can't have more.
Nah, look. My homeboy just went through some car trouble with randoms fucking with his car. I done had a car stolen from me before, so I can tell you. I know how fucked up it is if you finna go to work or shit, you finna go get to that damn job interview and your whole car gone. Or you see the nigga stealing your shit. Or you ain't got no fucking wheels. Like you literally can't slide to work because you ain't got wheels. Bro, don't fucking cry about it. That's that soft shit, bro. You is the man. Your girl supposed to go out there boo-hooing and sobbing like, babe, they stole the car, the wheels to the... This nigga out here talking. He sound like a kid. The motherfuckers told him Santa Claus, you know that nigga ain't real. This shit daddy bondage. You said,
man, you can't have shit nice and AC.
I feel his pain, trust me. Before niggas get off.
Why would y'all do this, bro?
Y'all hear them fucking.
Why would y'all do this?
Oh, sorry.
That guy.
He sound like Tyrese.
A woman is seen
more do
taking
you
somebody's
want from
pizza
me?
delivery and running off.
Whoa, what's going on?
She got away this time.
What happened?
Yeah, she's off.
Girl stole Domino. Dude, I'm not. Oh my god. I hope that bitch get caught. There's some stupid ass crimes, man. Them are some stupid crimes.
She gets a notification and has a few words for this guy creeping outside of her backyard.
Hello, pardon me. With the back door. With the back door.
Is that him or the people inside talking about back door? Because if he just walking up to people's house making songs about it, like he must
Why are you in my backyard?
Trying to make a mixtape or something, ain't he?
What do you need for my backyard?
Yeah, what do you need for my backyard?
Why are you in my backyard?
Hey, look.
No, I wasn't in the backyard, I'm at the back door.
No, you were in my backyard.
Every chick, bro.
Sent me over.
I don't care if you got a finesse, nigga. Y'all can't live alone. I would've told girl, move out the way. Get the fuck away from my house, bitch ass nigga, before I come out here mad. And I don't know what I do when I get mad, nigga. Look at him just talking and lollygagging.
Not the yellow house, the one right behind him.
Man, get your clown ass away before you get handcuffed up,
Get
nigga.
out of my backyard, I would appreciate it.
Yeah, get lost.
Get lost, nigga.
Yep.
Wrong with these niggas and bitches?
Lakeland, Florida.
The fuck?
Two concerned neighbors do a welfare check. They heard some screaming and they came to check it out.
Oh, my
Good for
bad.
them. Wish we had more neighbors like that.
I done went off on them. Said they some goddamn meth heads.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Obviously, someone's texting and driving or something.
See, man.
Instead
Oh,
of leaving a note on the car, the guy just drives off. His car
dang,
can
man.
be
You
heard
should have ran
screeching.
outside. That nigga drunk,
shit.
though, but nigga, you fucked my shit up.
Salt Lake City, Utah.
You probably wasn't gonna catch them
these
notification
sports pirates are gearing
delays,
up for the
internet
Christmas
speeds, and
holiday.
whatnot.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy taking. As long as people are leaving packages on that front porch, it's gonna be
Nah,
easy
I ain't
for
gonna
these
lie.
guys.
Let
There
me
was
say
nothing.
this. Now, I was dating a bitch who claims she's a good Samaritan or whatever, and she a decent person, I guess. But nigga, when it's Christmas time, y'all better watch them packages. Don't let that shit sit out. I don't care if it's today, nigga. I don't care if it's a regular day. Do not leave them packages out. I don't know why y'all be doing that. But on Christmas, around tis the season, nigga. Tis the season to get stained. They will hit a lick on you, boy. Don't do that shit around Christmas time.
Of value in those boxes. Get lost, losers.
Why are you going in my car? No, I do not.
What happened?
This woman caught this guy going inside her car. Yeah, walk off, buddy. Yeah, better not see you around here again. Fort Lauderdale,
Advertisement
Florida.
popped up.
This he's bold. He's opening up a box on the spot. The homeowner catches her going through her box. She says something, but he's unfazed. He wants whatever's in the box. He's made up his mind, and he's taking it.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Women, have a baby. Hopefully it's a boy, or it could be a strong ass
Walk
woman.
off with the box.
Y'all don't
You
need
just
to be
gotta
alone.
violate
Look
my
at,
box
she can
right
talk
in
to
front
him
of
and
my
he's
face,
still
right in
doing that
front of the
shit.
camera. Yeah, the nervous
I'm telling you,
guy.
I would come outside with the strap. You ain't even gotta shoot these weird, dumbass, high ass
Broad
niggas.
daylight too.
I would've came straight out with the beam on his chest. What's up, boy?
Hello?
Turn your ass around, go home. Don't even look back. Don't even look back. Like, bro,
Probably some nice shoes in there too.
Bro.
that fucking zesty ass, man, bitch ass outfit he got on with your little weird ass. Boy, I would've scared the shit out of him.
He said he forgot to lock the gate.
Yeah?
I would've, man.
Yeah, he's gone, buddy. It's too late to call the cops.
I wasn't shot
Tampa, Florida.
because then police would have been called on me. But I would have most definitely showed him my firearm. You're on my property tripping. Strange, man.
Looks like a man was following into his home. Once he got in his car, he told the guy to get lost. Atlanta, Georgia.
Man,
Check this guy out.
ain't nothing wrong pulling that
Sounds like it's
strap
raining
out.
outside.
Niggas be trying to test y'all. That's why they be on this shit. You pull that strap out quicker than they can. Look at this dumbass bitch. Tell me this is a
Tries to
vacant
kick the
house.
door in.
Tell me this is a vacant house.
Looks like he's just gonna open up a package on the spot.
Nope.
Probably
Whoa.
doesn't want to walk in the rain.
She looking for the plug.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Look at this guy. He's like trying to creep into someone's house, trying to climb up their house. He has a vertical that Michael Jordan would be proud of.
This commentator funny as hell, boy.
You gotta keep those windows locked. Cleveland, Ohio. This guy catches some type of worker on the side of his house and he's not having it. What's that? The electric lady, the gas lady? I don't know what she is.
Yeah. Yeah, what is he doing?
I said go away. I said go away. No, go away.
Out of blank, you think this a game, nigga? Go home,
He's not
boy.
having it.
Girl,
Get lost.
what the fuck? I ain't call you.
Culver City, California.
Like, you ain't even try to
Checking
knock
this
on the
lady
door on
out.
some
She's,
regular shit,
got
even though it's
something on her hand.
nighttime.
What? Who you talking to? Hey, stop kicking my door, lady.
What is wrong with people, bro?
What you got on your head up? What is that? What you got on your hands? What's she up to?
Well, if you don't take your... Well, what the fuck is that? A plastic bag
Hey,
from
get lost, lady.
the damn convenience store or a diaper? Fucking shithead. Bitch ass, like they smart or something. Sniper gang, what a Kodak fan, aw shit, y'all.
At night, he doesn't know anybody at this house.
Sniper gang,
Looks
huh?
like he's scoping out this Yukon Denali.
Recon mission. He a sniper for real. He
He's
tried
up
to
to
go this
something.
recon mission.
I don't
Except your
trust this
dumb
guy.
ass didn't know they had that Ring doorbell camera. Everybody get a goddamn camera of some sort. I got some. I got multiple.
Make sure you thumbs up this
Shit.
video.
I sound like DJ Ghost in there, but I had a homeboy named Sam that taught me to
New
get them
video
fucking
coming
cameras.
tomorrow.
But hey, man, I'm gonna hit y'all up on the next one. Coden flew out.
And that's the end of it.
I'm looking for some tweets.